In the package for the converter you will find the following items. Of course, a manual how to assemble it, new set of screws with a connector for easy use in case your old screws are not good anymore, and most importantly you have 2 sets of new gaskets which are already in your valve, but in your head, but in case it's damaged you can replace them, and of course the new ring with the rubber already connected to it. And you can see here the bajonet closing, which allows you to fix the head to the valve. This item is a tool to position the gasket temporarily in the right position in the middle, so you can easily assemble it in the correct manner, and it can be thrown away after use. In the manual you can see which steps to take. First of all, we have to take off the old ring which is on the existing connection head. We position the plastic ring in the center so that you can center the gaskets in the correct manner, and ultimately we screw the new ring to the. First we're going to disconnect the old ring from the connection head. The rubber makes that it will be quite tight to get it loosened easily, so you may use a little bit of force in between to release the bottom part. You can now also remove the suction nipple, so you can easy access, and also here the central gasket is coming out. Now we can take the new connection head and put in the tool to keep the gasket in the center during assembly. You put the gaskets in the correct position. And position the top part in the correct manner. Now we can use the old screws or the new ones. If the old screws are not damaged, we can put them back. Now the ring is fully assembled, and you can see that we have the head with the bajonet. The only thing is that we have to take out the central piece and put back the suction nipple correctly. Make sure it's positioned well in the middle, and we're ready to go. So now we have the connection head ready, and you can position the head on the valve, and when you click, it's fixed to the head. To unleash, you go anti-clockwise and take it off. Again, put it on clockwise, locked, and it's fixed.